That's gone miles into the stands.
A show if it was, she knew everything to do with it.
This time he goes exactly where he wants it. Panya.
Do the ball before over square leg.
Big shot, offside, nobody there, should go all the way. Oh, it goes straight into the crowd.
Just enough.
Fantastic shot that from Hardik Pandya. Cummins continues.
Short leg and straight over his head. Four.
It's not a quick pitch, is it?
All the way, yes.
He tries to whack it away on the leg side. Not sure he meant to hit it down there, but pulls the result.
I think he meant to go much straighter and I think in the air.
This time again, will he clear the boundary? He does. Puts it again. Third six of the over.
Another one. All the power of this man on strike. He is such a danger. And he's still not timing it.
It's high in the bat. Got it way in front of square. That'll be enough for a boundary.
Ball wide, another six. Effortless striking of the cricket ball. Aram, do you think there's anything at all that BPCL can do?
That's gone for six, is it? It has. And 50 for Hardik Pandya. 50.